and welcome to this holiday edition of InStyle TV. I'm your host, Brittany Cascone, and today we have many fun and fantastic things to share with you. So let's get started. There is no sweeter sound than that of your baby's heartbeat. Now, imagine being able to listen to that precious sound from the comfort of your own home.
FetalDoppler.net is proud to bring expecting mothers safe, reliable, and affordable technology with quality products that can help put your minds at ease, knowing that your baby is safe. These pocket-sized, battery-operated devices are easy to use and typically have a handset with user-friendly controls, a built-in speaker, and a transducer probe that you cover with ultrasound gel and hold against your lower abdomen. Completely safe to use with no known risk to the baby or the mother, the Fetal Doppler's probe sends out high-frequency sound waves, also known as ultrasound waves, which pass through your skin and tissue, then into your baby. When the waves encounter movement, such as your baby's heart beating, they bounce back to the device. The device then translates the movement into sound, which the machine amplifies for you to listen to. It's truly a wonderful moment to experience. Why rent a used, pre-owned Fetal Doppler when you can have your own personal brand new Fetal Doppler from an FDA-approved United States distributor today?